Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's just move forward with the topic decorator only. And now we are going to see decorator in Python with arguments, right? So let's just move forward with a coding example here, how we can use the decorator with arguments, right? Earlier we just saw a simple example how to use the decorator, right? So let's just create a again decorator with the name as my decorator, okay? And it will just take a function parameter input, let's say again func only, and we are going to just do one thing. I'm going to just create a wrapper function so that which can add the extra functionality here. It will take one input, okay? So this positional argument and I would say uh, another kind of like key positional argument, right? Let's say it's going to take the input, and let's just define this function. It's going to just print before we are going to just get the result. We are going to call our actual function. We are going to pass here arguments, and here we are just simply going to print that after. We can just simply return our result, and we can just simply return the wrapper function as well. We are going to call our decorator before defining the actual function. And here I'm just going to give my actual definition, what it is going to just do for me. A comma B, it is going to print adding of A plus adding of B. Now we are going to just simply return A plus B, and we are going to call within the print statement our add 5. If I'll just call it, you can see here before adding 4 5 after 9. What we did here, simply we have created out a decorator function. We have passed out the func that is nothing but the add function with the parameters a and b. Now whenever we will just like call to decorator function, it will take the parameter as input. It will just move out with the before line, okay? When the result will be like, we will just come on to this line, okay? This func would be called and actual function would be called. What is the logic, right? We'll just get a plus b, okay? So we'll just get, then after we have just returned out the result and returned out the wrapper function. That's what we received out, right? So I hope you guys understood the concept. So this is a quick query just to get the to use the arguments with decorators.